Hey, I'm Abilhomme. I'm a visual artist. I'm doing this video in collaboration for the Haiti Cultural Exchange. I've been knowing Haiti Cultural Exchange for the past 4 years. We've been collaborating in multiple events, exhibitions, and projects. Haiti Cultural Exchange been there in Brooklyn for 15 or 16 years right now. They've been involved in a lot of the culture. They've been promoting music, literature, poetry, dance, film, everything that embodies the Haitian culture. They've been there in Brooklyn and helping our community to stay engaged with the Haitian culture even from far. This organization was there not only for us as Haitians, it was there for the community. It was held to serve the people that come from a different background, wanted to know a little bit more about the Haitian culture. I think this is matter for New York. It is matter for the United States. The reason why I'm asking you guys to join us and asking for help, because Haiti Cultural Exchange needs some help right now. We need you to donate to help them elevate, to still keep the cause alive, because what they are doing is going to be great for generation and generations. And with your contribution, this will stay alive and their life will continue and we will move forward for the next. Mais en pile chay palo, anou ede na cause ça, nou yon nan supporte lot, anou pote men kole, ensemble nou fort. Pi vite si so kapab bay li pou nou avancer. Merci.